I'm going to try to keep things dry and keep my body moving. In regard to that though, I have to say, that was torrential downpour, and I just got caught in the middle of it. Whew. I am cold. Oh! Ow! That hurt. Oh my gosh. Frick me. I gotta put these back in the water for a second. Hold on. I don't think I'm going swimming in this. This is how you die. Let's go ahead and try to cross very, very, very carefully. That stuff will carry me away. Oh man, well, I'm covered in dirt now. That's okay. This waterfall is gonna look insane. I can already tell. That torrential downpour in itself was enough to turn the waterfall from a 1 to a 5 in a matter of seconds. I'm gonna check it out. Me and my foil poncho. Man, and I thought the frickin' uphill sucked. The stupid downhill was soaked. Good grief. Uh-oh. That's not pouring anymore, so I'm gonna go ahead, pick this guy off. Wrap him up. Put them in my pocket. If it rains like that again, I need to be prepared. Oh wow. Hold on 1 second. That cloud left me freaking soaked. Now I gotta piss now more than ever. Frickin' me. Oh my God. No edge standing here. I'm just gonna remain upright. Wow. That's incredible. We're not gonna stand on the edge though and get photos. That's on wet ledge, that's how you die. How's the rain treating you guys?
Part of the adventure, man.
Oh man!
Go hang out on a big slippery cliff.
Oh my goodness! I am soaked.
Under the bridge, though, it was clever.
I had a foil blanket thing that kept me really warm and dry, but before it got me soaked.
Relatively dry.
Not too relatively dry, but enough to.
Yeah, right there you're dry.
At least right here.
Right on the GoPro. That's the spot you're dry.
Exactly. At least that. Yeah, man. Is this the way down to get to the the kind of wading pools, whatever they're called?
Yeah, I think there's
so.
another spot the lower you go. I haven't been further down than this point yet.
Gotcha.
But I know there's a lower fall with a bigger, like a big drop fall, and I think there's a pool right there.
Gotcha. Let me go ahead and just do some calculation here.
What we passed already though, to me, constitutes like a beautiful set of pools. So I think it just gets better the further you go. There's no wrong direction.
Yeah, I understand. Well, the only way I can go is down because I got to get back to my car and stuff. I just wanted to make sure I'm on the right track here. I go any further up, I'm going the wrong way. Oh my goodness. Wow, what a hike today. My goodness. Went from foggy to rainy to burning hot. Virginia, the season where you gotta dress up for 3 different seasons. You guys be safe. Absolutely. All right, we got 2 hours. 2 hours of footage. As a boy, I always dreamt about doing something like what I just did. Coming back down here and seeing the world as it is. I think I see it now. I'm seeing things clearly. Clearer than they ever have been. You can trip and fall at any point in time. If you don't take the risk, you can also trip and fall and lose yourself. Please tell me I'm near people. I don't know if I can keep going on like this. I have to patch up my toe. The toe is completely fucked to my ankle. Ow. Okay. Well, bears aren't going to be by a waterfall necessarily. I'll be more downwind on stream. So I got that one advantage over anything else. I just have to be really careful and make sure I make the right moves here. I have to make the right moves, otherwise I'm gonna lose my life here. Oh, thank God. Oh, there's people. Oh, thank God. Oh. Thank God. Damn it. Okay, medkit time.
Duct tape it. I think I have a switch too.
Oh my God. We're going the right way, right? Okay. Okay. Oh shit. Oh, please tell me there's a park ranger or something. There's somebody out here. Oh crap. Howdy, gentlemen.
Hey, you made it pretty fast, dude. Shit.
I know it's a random question, and I'm sorry for kind of starting the conversation off with that, but any of you guys have a cell phone by chance?
No.
Shit.
Everything okay?
Yeah, I was freaking caught in the torrential downpour, and I missed the drop dead time for my family, so I got to contact them somehow.
Yeah, no cell phone.
It's okay. Don't worry about
Do
it,
they have
gentlemen.
a leeway?
I didn't specifically state that, and I'm worried that they're going to contact someone if I don't get back in time. I was supposed to contact them.
There's a house where we parked down there.
Yep.
Look at that house, dude.
By
By chance, did you pass the guy with the army book bag?
I did not. As far as I can tell, there was a group of people. There was a group of people camping, and then a group of people that were just hiking with the family.
You went by the water pool, right? They slide down into the water.
Did he have 2 kids?
No, no kids. Did you go by that water pool though, where people were swimming?
Yeah, there was not anybody there.
And nobody since then you passed?
You might have went up the left side. There's 2 different directions you could take. There's the Cedar Fall one, and then there's the White Oak
Oh,
one.
he went down Cedar.
He went down Cedar. I didn't take Cedar.
Oh.
Yeah, I went down White Oak, so that's probably why.
Thank you.
Yeah, absolutely.
We were about to worry.
Yeah, I know about that. I know all about that.
What did you do? Go up to the stable?
Yeah, so originally the plan was to go all the way up to, what's it called, Hawksbill,
Yeah.
go to Skyland, and then head back down to here.
Okay.
So I took Cedar up to Hawksbill, Hawksbill to Skyland, and Skyland down to here. But when I got like halfway through White Oak, it started torrentially
We did
downpouring.
exact opposite.
Yeah, I
What distance did you get for that?
I think I got like 16, 17 miles today.
Yeah, bro, that's far. And you did exact opposite.
Oh, fuck.
You're a little lie to us. Yeah, dude, I'm deleting. You got that Gatorade?
I gotta get going, because if I don't get out of here soon, I'm gonna have to explain some stuff. Yeah, I'll catch you guys. I gotta get back. Oh, my foot.
Bye.